You've got science questions, and we've got science answers. It's time for KnOWLedge's General Knowledge at Home. Aiden wants to know, do all animals on Earth have red blood? The answer is no. Though all vertebrates, including ourselves, do have red blood, there's also blue, green, and even purple blood in the animal kingdom. It all comes down to how an animal's blood is oxygenated. That's how it takes oxygen from the air and distributes it through the rest of the body. Our blood uses something called hemoglobin, a protein that is rich in iron, and iron is what gives our blood that reddish color. Now, if you're talking about something like spiders or mollusks like squids and octopus, what you'll find is that they have blue blood, and they have something in it called hemocyanin. And this protein is activated not by iron, but by copper. When copper is oxygenated, it turns blue, and that is why these animals have blue blood. Thanks for watching. If you have a science question that you'd like us to answer, just send it to owlkids@owlkids.com, and we'll get right to it.